Hello, I'm Jenny. I'm from Sheffield. I'm a building surveyor.
Thanks, Jenny. So I just want to ask you a couple of questions about the training you've had with us for the non-domestic Green Deal Advisor. You've just finished your second session, so you've completed 10 days in total, and the first 5 days were the non-domestic Energy Assessor, and the second 5 days were the non-domestic Green Deal Advisor. So just want to ask you a couple of questions. If I'd just like to start by asking you about the structure of the programme, what would you say about that while you've been here with us?
The course was really well structured. It was great to split it into 2 weeks and to have a week off in the middle. It enabled you to sort of take stock and then come back fresh to do the second week.
Brilliant. And how would you rate the support that you've had during the time you've been away and while you've been on the course with our trainers and assessors?
It's been really fantastic. The course size has been really small, and Graham, the trainer, has been fantastic at answering questions.
Brilliant. And that leads me on nicely to my next question about the trainer. How would you rate the knowledge of the trainer that you've had while you've been here?
His knowledge is really high. He's been doing commercial energy assessment for a number of years, I think almost since it started, so he's got a great level of knowledge.
Brilliant. And we actually take a lot of pride in the practical experience that we provide to our candidates. So how would you rate the practical experience that you've had, if you'd like to mention a bit about the property that you visited while you were with us?
It's been really great. In fact, on the first week we did one assessment off plan and two building surveys, so we only needed 3. So all 3 buildings have been covered in the course, which is great because sometimes it can be hard to find them once you leave the course when doing your portfolio. So we spent 2 half days out on site actually surveying, and that experience is really valuable.
Brilliant, thank you. And in terms of the facilities that you've had while you've been here, what would you like to say about the facilities?
And they're really great as well. The training room is adequate, and you can use the Wi-Fi at the centre, and you can print things with a printer in our room, so everything that's needed is here.
Brilliant. Now, you actually trained with us on the domestic side. You did the upskill course from Domestic Energy Assessor to Green Deal Advisor, so it's great that you've come back now to do the non-domestic with us. Would you recommend our training academy to anyone else that's looking to get involved in this side of the industry?
Yeah, definitely. I definitely recommend it. I mean, there's an awful lot of training centres and there's different prices, and I found definitely different standards of training, and here it seems to be the same standard every time, and so I'd always come back to do more training.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much.
No problem.